Freunde, wie geht's? So today we are going to learn clothes vocabulary in German. So we will be learning about the common clothes which we usually wear. So let's start. So what is clothes? Die Kleidung. Noch einmal. Die Kleidung. Die Hose. The trouser or pants. And the plural is die Hosen. Die Hosen. Das Kleid. The dress. Das Kleid. The dress. Die Kleider. The plural is die Kleider. Their rock. It's basically skirt. And the plural for their rock is die Röcke. Das Hemd. The shirt. Die Hemden. Die Hemden. Their pullover. Their pullover is basically a pullover or a sweater. So their pullover. And in plural it remains the same. Only the article changes. Die Pullover. Die Bluse. The blouse. And the plural is die Bluse. Die Jeans. It's basically a jeans. Die Jeans. And the plural is same. Die Jeans. Der Mantel. It's a coat. Der Mantel. Die Mantel. Die Jacke. Jacket. And the plural is die Jacken. Die Jacken. Noch einmal. Die Jacken. Die Socke. And the plural is die Socken. Noch einmal, die Socken. Because socks we always wear in pair. So we normally say Socken only. Very rare someone says Socke. Die Mütze. Cap. The cap. Die Mütze. And the plural is die Mützen. Noch einmal, die Mützen. Der Stiefel. And the plural is die Stiefel. Only article will change and the noun will be same. Der Anzug. Die Anzüge. Noch einmal, der Anzug. Die Anzüge. Die Krawatte. And the plural is die Krawatten. Die Flieger. Bow tie. The bow tie. Die Flieger. And the plural is die Fliegen. Die Handschuhe. Gloves. Noch einmal, die Handschuhe. So if you like my content, if you like my video, so kindly subscribe to my channel. You can hit the bell button, so if I will post any video, you will get the notification. Till then, ciao.